Dear guests, welcome to the Axxon booth. Electronics manufacturing pushing towards to micron level precision. We are proud to introduce at Productronica 2025 a turnkey solution for a conformal coating line. This integrated solution combines a high precision conformal coating, an ultra-fast UV curing and an AI-driven inspection, setting a new standard for medical, aerospace and automotive electronics. Our selective coating module features a multi-valve platform designed for complex applications. The 5800 atomizing valve for uniform large area coverage, the V420A for micro dot coating and high aspect ratio features, and the dedicated V420A edge trimming valve to eliminate wicking and ensure perfectly defined coating boundary. The coating is followed by our UV170 inline curing system, delivering stable, uniform UV energy in a compact design. It ensures full through cure within seconds, boosting both reliability and through ±2 micron thickness accuracy and cycle times under 25 seconds. It verifies coating quality instantly and reliably. Ladies and gentlemen, this is more than a production line, the Axxon's intelligent ecosystem for Industry 4.0. We invite you to explore the line and discover the future of the precision manufacturing.